Never lose a document on your device ever again. Here are my top ways to save and restore documents. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. I help you break down how to use all your technology. A bunch of quick tips you'll find at cyberguy.com. That is where you can also sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter. Now, if you're still organizing file folders under your desk and there's a big box or big mess, make your life a lot easier by keeping your documents online. And I don't mean like your really critical secure documents like birth certificate and things like that. Keep that in a different secure physical spot. But it does make it a lot easier to search through files when they're saved online. And more importantly, you don't have to worry about losing track of, misplacing, or destroying any of those documents. So here are my picks for the best apps to save and restore your documents on. First, you should know this. I store my digital documents on a physical hard drive that I keep secure at home. And though when I'm away from home and I want access, I back them up on a cloud as well. But I don't trust all these clouds. Like Google's not my favorite. The big tech behemoth notorious for harvesting your data every chance they get. But a lot of people feel differently, so I'm still going to show you how to use it. And you know, if you're okay with it, that's fine. So number one here, go to Google Docs. It is a free app to use, and you can log in with a free Google account. You can keep track of all your documents, and they will too, and organize them in any way you like. Just don't keep anything sensitive or super revealing here. You can open existing documents from your device into Google Docs and edit them directly there. The program also keeps track of previous versions, so if you make a mistake or accidentally do something, you can view those document changes later. You can also collaborate on Google Docs. For example, I could be writing, let's say we're writing a story together, and I'm writing part of it here, you're writing another part there, and we could see the document come together as one project. You could be in a totally different spot. It's a really cool feature that way. Next, Dropbox is a free-to-use service if you just want to back up a few documents, but the paid subscription is going to let you upload tons of files and allow you to restore previous backed up versions in case you ever lose a document. Finally, if you use Microsoft 365 apps like Word, save your files using OneDrive or SharePoint, just go to File, tap Save As, and tap Online Locations. Then tap Manage Storage Accounts, tap OneDrive, log into your Microsoft account, and then choose which folder in your OneDrive you want to save this to. Then, when you make changes, you'll be able to go back to that file, browse version history, and see the different times the file was edited and by whom. So there you have it. If you want more information, go to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.